welcome back to my channel, Rachel Reviews. We have a Wantable unboxing today. Let's just get to it. It's the Picnics and Parades edit, because why not? My hair is crazy today. I have a headband in. Let's do this. We have our trusty rusty screwdriver. We're gonna open her up. If you haven't tried Wantable before and you'd like to, there's a description down below and a referral link if you would like to use it. And yeah, they send you 7 items. I think it's $20 styling fee. They have like themed edits, which is like all I do now. They have style edits and active edits. They have men's edits. We're opening her up. I'm tired today. Not gonna lie. Feeling a little under the weather. A little tired, so. But we're doing it. Here we go. I'm like trying to not have my dog bark. Let's see. Here is the bundle. Actually, it's a really nice folded bundle. And I haven't peeked or anything, so it looks pretty good. It looks pretty promising. Except for if those are jeans or if they're jean shorts. I don't know. We'll find out. Alright. Here we go. We have the mailer, which they're sending these pretty like melon colored mailers now. I have that to send back things we don't want to keep. I usually only keep one thing. Let's read our note. Time to get your summer on. The limited time style edit is packed with 7 sunny trends designed to make you look and feel beautiful. I've also added in some mix and match Some mix and match pieces you can dress up or down for all of your summer activities. From picnics and parades to grilling and chilling, I hope you'll love the casual summer outfits I've chosen for you. Expect flattering fits, must-have pics, and all of the compliments. You have 5 days to try everything on. Don't forget, if you keep 5 or more items, you get 20% off. I just moved the camera with my foot. Enjoy, Mandy, stylist. I don't think I've had her before. Ooh, this is a nice black. I have to recenter myself. The camera moves. Hang on. I kicked it. Okay. We have some earrings. Those are very like Hunger Games looking. You know, like that pin that she would wear with the Mockingjay on it. Let's see. I'm gonna put these in. Hang on. Okay. Paper. Hang on. ASMR. Here's the earrings. They're huge. They're pretty big. Let's do, you know, my excellent zoom skills. So I like them. Except for like, I feel like this part goes up too high. I think if it were just like that, I'd like it more. I don't know. We'll play with them. Hi! I always do that. We will play with, you could really see my wrinkles when I did that. We'll play with them. They're fun. They're like for sure statement. And they're just studs too, so that's kind of cool. I kind of like them. They're really big though. Okay. And we have, this is so soft. It's kind of see-through. This knit, oh, it's very see-through. Hello. This knit black twist front kind of dolman sleeve. It's so see-through. Why? And you're gonna see the tank top under. I don't want to put a tank top on. It's okay. All right. And then we have the 78 and Sunny brand, just a plain yellow knit ribbed t-shirt. Has a v-neck. Has stains on it. I mean, come on. There's stains on it. So I'll just have to tell them that, you know, one of the items came damaged. But I have a lot of yellow tops like this already, so I already know that's not gonna be one of them. This is cute. This is kind of like, is this exactly like that orange floral one from a box before? I didn't end up keeping it. I should have. This is cute. I'd wear that to work. Adorable. We have, are they shorts or are they jeans? They're shorts. Look at their Bermuda shorts by Democracy. They have a stretchy waist in the back. They have that scissor kind of frayed hem. I'm not really into the longer shorts because I already have short legs, so like I feel like the longer shorts just make them look shorter. And then we have, oh, these are cute. We have some pants. They're like a yellow striped wide leg kind of linen pant. Are they linen? Let's see. Cotton and polyester. Cool. Those are nice. Are they real? No, not real pockets in the back, but real pockets in the front. Those are cute. I hope those fit. And these are jeans. I like the bottom. Look at that bottom there. That's cute. Oh, they're a button front, just like from my last Stitch Fix box. They're very similar. This brand is Vervet though, and I think the other one was Just USA, maybe. They feel very stretchy. They're pretty cute. They have distressing on the back pockets too. Alright, well, let's try stuff on. Well, the pants are a no-go. They're too tight. I could get them buttons and zipped, but they're too tight. And then the shirt is like see-through. I know I could put a black tank top under it, but I'm just not going to keep it. It is really soft though. The pants, it's a shame they don't fit because they're a good length. They're not scratchy. Let me show you the length just in case you like them. I like the yellow stripe. I think that's cute. They're not too long. They're just way too tight through here. So, oh well, what can you do? That's the way the cookie crumbles sometimes, and my camera's off center. I'm just having a day, you know? Just having one of those days. Real time. All right, let's try on the next outfit. Here's the yellow top. I have very, I think 2 tops very similar to this, so I won't be keeping it, but I love this color. I think it's a really pretty color. I like the V-neck. It does have the staining in the back that I'll have to tell them about. Here's the Bermuda shorts. They're not so bad. I just think they make my legs look shorter than I would like them to be because they do go down so far. I feel like one of the Lost Boys from like Peter Pan, like Rufio, you know. I don't know. I feel like they all had like big long shorts like that. But they are really nice. They're comfy. They have that elastic band in the back, pockets in the front, pockets in the back. I think they're cute. They're just too long. If they were shorts, maybe. I love this color. Like, I think this is a beautiful color for summer, especially once you get a tan. You know, if you tan, yeah, it's a pretty color. Sleeve length's nice. It's really soft. V-neck's nice. I just have similar, which I guess is good. That means they nailed my style. But yeah, not gonna keep these 2. It's really cute though. Goes cute with this headband. All right, let's try on the last outfit. Here's the last outfit. I really didn't show you the length of the yellow top, but it's about this length. I just tucked it in. I've been tucking everything in lately. I think this top's really cute. I don't usually wear this much white though, so it's kind of weird. The jeans are really comfy. If you watched my last Stitch Fix video, these ones are comfier than those ones, I think. Which means they're probably more money. But they're cute, but I don't know if I need jeans right now. But I do like the button up. Let me tuck this shirt in a little bit. I know I'm a little quiet today. Sorry. Yeah, so there's the shirt tucked in with the button fly jeans. Maybe it's just the headband is throwing me off. Maybe. But it's cute. I like the sleeves. Is this the same shirt? I can't tell. I think this would be really cute for work in the summer. The jeans are cute. I just don't know if I need, I know I don't need jeans right now. I know I don't, because I'm not gonna wear jeans in the summer. And it's gonna be hot here. It's like June as I'm filming this. It's gonna be hot here the next 3 months, so I don't think I need these right now. Not a good investment right now, but they're super cute. They're really soft. Ugh. Let me show you the length. Sorry. I'm distracted today. Here's the length. So they have all that major distressing at the bottom next to my gray socks. There's the back. Pockets in the back, pockets in the front, pockets at supper time. Anyway, they're really cute. Something to think about. I think they said the brand Vervet. I can't remember. But yeah, This shirt might be the winner. The earrings are nice too though, so let's go over prices and we'll see what I'm gonna keep. If you like this video, give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed already and you like these kinds of unboxings. Prices. Here we go. I feel like the frame's all off because my chair is higher because I'm using the same chair in our bathroom for when I do like my makeup and get ready. And I don't want to lower it because it has a really hard time going back up and down. That's what she said. So, prices. The high-rise crop skinny in medium blue, size 32 by Vervet, $68. I can't keep those jeans right now. Maybe in the fall. The seersucker pant in yellow turquette, size XL, originally $59, on sale for $29.50. My hair's weird today. This is a great video. You guys, you don't care. You're fine. These circle earrings with rod accent in gold, $24. The more I wear them, the more I like them. I wish they were just a teeny bit smaller though. But I like them. They might be the winners. We'll see how much that shirt is. The Coastline V-neck rib tee in sunshine, size large by 78 and Sunny, $46. I have similar. The twisted front short sleeve sweater knit top in black by Wantable, $50. The Absolution high rise retro Bermuda in blue vintage by Democracy, size 14, $78. The floral SS woven top with tie in ivory, size large by Supply and Demand, $64. $64. I can't spend $64 on a shirt. I know I already have $20 invested in this box, so I'd be paying $44 more for this shirt instead of $4 more for these earrings, which I like. I think they're a statement. They go good with a simple necklace. I have like that other kind of coin chokery one that I kept from Wantable a bunch of boxes ago. I think the earrings are the winners. What do you think? Okay, so merchandise total for the whole box, $359.50. If you keep everything, you get 20% off, so making it $287.60. I have $20 styling fee, so $267.60 for the whole box. There we go. All right, if you guys want to try Wantable, I really like their themed edits. I don't know how this was so picnics and parades-y. You'd think they'd be like red, white, and blue, like, I don't know, flowy things, like not like structured items for a picnic or something, or a parade. But I like it. I don't know. All right, you guys, thank you so much for watching. I think I'm gonna go take a nap, if I'm being honest. So thanks so much for watching, and I will see you guys next time.